Okay, we're about to test out this boat carburetor for Bryant's automotive. No, Bryant's alignment. Now don't get mad, put your gun and everything away, but I'm going to tell you some true facts. 99% of the problems that we have are complaints. They're not problems from customers, are from mechanics who think they know it all, who do not watch our videos, think that we're just a bunch of dumb bunnies that does this out in some tree someplace. It's very important to adhere to all these instruction things that we tell you. Watch the videos. The first thing is the fuel pressure. You cannot run these carburetors in 2013 with alcohol-based fuel with any more than 3 pounds. They will flood, they will buck, they will do everything else you can think of. Number 2, you have to have your timing 30 degrees at 3,000 RPM, or else these things will bog and buck and fart. Now, we're going to test this thing out. This thing here looked like it was set up for high altitude or something. We had to modify the whole interior of the carburetor. Full of dirt and everything else, just like you said. But please, don't be offended. But we know what we're doing. These things idling so smooth you can put a glass of water on it. Now that computer over there is computing. It's telling us, it's just like an emission machine down when you have your car tested for emissions. It's calculating the mixture going in and what's coming out. It has nothing to do with the size of the motor or size of the carburetor. It does not, that computer does not know. Right now we got these mixtures right here set for 12 parts of air. Right there, one mixture screw on this one. 12 parts of air to one part of gas. As you accelerate, that mixture will get thinner. That's because you've overcome inertia. You don't need as much liquid gas squirting in the engine to get the same amount of power out of it. I'm telling you, once again, here's your electric choke. Another thing that you guys know all about. Leave the choke turned off. Loosen up those 3 screws so that when it's 45 degrees out, turn that thing right there until that blade touches. Now those things are real easy to break. Of course, you guys know all about them. Then once it's 45 degrees, you turn it till it touches there, put the 3 screws in and plug in your hot wire. It's grounded internally. Of course, I know you know all that. Now we're going to do some acceleration. And we're going to take it up to about 50 miles an hour. That's about 65 on a car. I don't know what it would be in a boat. When you see that mixture's holding pretty good. Now as you go faster, it'll thin out on a boat. So there you go. You got a 3-inch top with a big bottom. Rochester. Well, you can tell there she's ready to go.